Hi, this is Adam from Ace Trading. Today I'm going to give you an introduction and a bit of a how-to on how to use one of our bots, the WaveBreaker. The first thing you need to do in order to make sure you can use WaveBreaker is to ensure that you have imported the NinjaStrip add-on strategy. This can be found from our Discord. Once you have imported the bot, in order to attach the bot to a chart, you need to have a chart open, and as you can see, I have the NQ chart of 5 minutes open. Okay, and I would like to start my bot. You can see on this, I have on the screen here the 8:30 time, which is Chicago time. We're in Chicago time for the market for US Open. Okay, I don't want to start my bot here. I would like to start my WaveBreaker bot at about 9:30 and catch any price movement after that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right-click the chart, click on Strategies, because this is what I like to add. I can see I already have the strategy attached, but I will remove it and show you how to add the strategy. So you can see I would like to add the WaveBreaker. I just click on the Add button. And on the right here is where you have to put in your parameters. I'm going to look for perhaps an 8-tick win this time for my take profit and perhaps a stop loss of 20 ticks. I'm going to run 4 contracts. I'd also like my bot to start 1 hour after the open. What that means is I need to put in 9:35. I'm on a 5-minute chart, but I need to make sure that my bot starts at the candle after the 9:30, which is going to be the 9:35 candle. And I would like my bot to run for about 90 minutes. It gives me an opportunity to see what trades, any price action that forms, and take those trades. Because I would like my wave of my bot to last for an hour, I'm going to look back 12 candles. It'll make more sense once we look at the chart why I chose 12. Okay, but I do have NQ5 and I'm going to run it on a sim account and I'm going to press enable, which will allow us to turn our bot on. I press OK. And now you can see that we do have our bot on the chart. WaveBreaker bot is activated. A wave has been formed. So starting from 9:35, I counted back 12 candles and a wave crest and trough has been formed. And as price exited the wave, it took the trade for me. And you can see I was successful in taking my take profit. If price was to move all the way back up to the top before 11 o'clock, it would take a long as well. But you can see here I was quite happy with just taking this short. A nice easy win for the day. If I would like to turn my strategy off, the method that I would recommend you do is to open up your strategy again and untick the bot and press apply. That way the strategy has now turned off. You do not need to turn this particular bot off once it's been activated. However, often we don't like to leave our bots running for 24/7 just so that we can manage them and apply them where appropriately. One final step I'd like to show you is to ensure that you do not have any orders still in play before you disconnect from NinjaTrader. And the way you do that is if you just go down to your Rhythmic account and you click on recent orders, you'll see that I have some recent orders, that it's trades that I've taken today, but I don't have any active orders in play. So that means I'm safe to turn off my system and continue with my day.